Hi guys, welcome to Soul Science Lab. Today we're making a volcano.
The recipe calls for
Baking soda,
vinegar.
food coloring,
Food coloring is optional.
yeah, and clay. Now, if you don't have air drying clay, you came to the right place. So all you need,
clay, you'll need some
salt. You'll need some flour.
You'll need measuring cups.
We only have one, but that's they do different lengths. Pamper chef, you guys should check out there. You'll need bowls, and you'll need something to mix with. Go get a whisk. It's in the first drawer. Okay, Usher came back.
I'm back.
My mom is.
So
let's get into it. So take your cup, and you'll need 1.5 cup of salt. Ow!
You can open it.
Okay, how do I open
Now,
it?
since we're 2 people, we'll need about a cup. Right.
1.5 cups.
1.5?
Yes.
It's half.
No, it's half cup. Oh, it's half cup.
Half cup.
Oh, look at those juicy salts.
Okay.
It looks like snow.
It does.
You know, you can just scoop it. Yeah, but you are so, just scoop it.
Sorry.
You can eat first. Merp. You're gonna have a way more salt than. Oh,
Why don't you open it?
I know. Okay, you hold it, and I. Oh, it looks like snow. Snow for the holidays. Snow dough. It's snow dough.
Oh, careful there.
Luckily, salt isn't toxic. And cup. And then you'll need a cup too. You'll need a half cup.
I'll take a bit less since I have
A little bit more.
like that will be.
Is that a half cup?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Good. Look at my face. Okay, next you'll need 1.5 or less water.
We'll put the flour in too.
Oh yeah. So, mix it up. See, you have way more salt. I'm gonna take a little bit more.
No, we have about.
Oh, yeah. No.
It doesn't make this good. Okay, so now you'll need a cup of flour.
A cup of, no. You need 1 cup of flour. Yeah, 1 cup of flour.
Oh.
Okay. She's just got it all mixed up, girl. Are you okay?
Not really.
She's getting flour all over herself. Whoa. Oh my gosh. My turn. Don't mix it up without me, okay? Don't mix it. No!
You mixed yours up though.
Well, it's the dough part. It actually gets like dough. Oh, you did. Wait, is that 1 cup? Oh, okay.
Now just mix it up, and this is what it looks like. It basically only looks like flour and water. Now mix it up real well.
And then it will like it. In the meantime, while it's drying, show them the volcano.
So now a little tip is if your clay gets sticky,
Yes.
Then-
Keep on adding flour.
yeah,
We added more than just a cup, like a lot more.
like we added like 3 cups.
Yeah, 3
And
cups.
this is what it turned out to be.
And you just form it, and you'll need a small little cup to put in there so it doesn't ruin the clay. Because once you're done with your volcano, if all the clay doesn't get the vinegar, you can still play with it. And we had this much excess. We thought we were going to get this much. We have this much. So in the meantime, we're going to be playing with the clay.
We have to wait for it to dry.
And in fact, this is
Now to make the volcano erupt, you'll need some vinegar,
baking soda
dish soap,
and our very nice volcano. No, I'm just joking. It's not perfect.
and you'll also need a cup, which we've already put in there. So first, your first step is to put the cup in, which we've already done. Now, add some baking soda. We need some. Okay, we'll just like. That'll be enough. Maybe a little bit more. And make sure that this left up. Make sure that the.
Can I pour in the soap?
Yeah. Just a few squirts. That the cup is pretty small. Like that. Is that good? A couple squirts.
I added 2.
There. Add some more, like 2. Can I have them?
Whoa. I'm so scared.
I'm scared.
It's on a plate. Oh, holy. Keep on pouring it. Whoa! Don't eat it.
That is so cool.
So, bye, guys. Thanks for watching. This is such a fun experiment to do at home, and I'm going to go show my mom.
Yeah.
Oh, holy. Keep on pouring it. Whoa!